up, guys? Nazaré is calling, and it means it's time for Jeff's Big Wave Riding Challenge.
Let's go!
This is a sleepy town of Nazaré, but once a year everything comes alive when the biggest waves in the world come here every winter. And here we got Pedro from Máquina Voadora. They're filming with a drone. So what do you think so far, Pedro?
Hey, it's as classic as it can be today, no wind. The swell is building pretty quickly. It's much bigger now than in early morning. And we expect it to keep going up during the afternoon. And the next 2 days is gonna be epic too. Big swell.
It should be about 26 feet, I think.
Yeah, maybe
very
more.
Impressive. Let's check it out. Here we go, guys. Marcio and Jeff, the legends. How are you excited, guys?
Yeah, well, I've been awake since before 5 o'clock this morning. Nervous, excited, scared. Let's see, very much lots of anticipation as to what we're going to get today. Are we going to get something? Are we going to get something amazing? Is it all going to be disaster? Just who knows? We don't know right now, do we?
Yeah, that's the interesting thing that makes Nazaré so, like, you know, well known about big wave surfing. Is the charts show one thing, you know, we have the precipitation, excitement, and once we get there, it's a completely different ball game. So it's like a box full of surprises.
So we'll just see what we get, and we'll take it how it comes, hey?
For sure.
Right.
Ready for this, buddy?
Yeah, definitely. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So you got everything. You got. Tell us about your inflatable vest and your protection.
Yeah, this is the Blue Soup inflatable vest, so it's variable buoyancy. At the moment I have no buoyancy or very little, and I could be able to duck under a wave if, you know, if I'm just inside, and there's some of the smaller waves I could swim down and perhaps I don't take the full pounding, but I do have like maximum buoyancy. If I pull the inflation toggle, then I'm gonna shoot right up to the surface, and hopefully Marcio's gonna be right there to pick me up, and we're gonna fly and get the hell out of there.
I got you, buddy.
All right, guys. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Nice.
Cheers. See you in the water.
Oh yeah.
Dying roses plead, I don't leave you alone. The demigods and hungry ghosts
something wrong happened. They washed together on the beach with the jet ski. They washed away on the shore. This guy is going to help.
The wave closed and I had to come all the way up to the beach. I got nailed in the shore break for a little while. I managed to get back out eventually. I tried to stand, well, I got half out. I stood up and my straps had all torn apart, like folded up where you know, I don't know where I got nailed coming through the shore break. And so then I managed to start back up. I got out, but laying down out the back, readjusted the foot straps. But I was looking for Marcio and I looking. I was trying to get him on the radio, and eventually I see him on the beach. So I come up to try help push it off, but we've been here for 20 minutes trying to push it off, and it's not going to be a good idea to do it because the impeller is full of stones and sand.
Tried to turn around with me.
So now we're going to rescue it.
Push the tail that way.
You need a bigger boat. Nazaré is not a joke. You got the drama, you got excitement, you got everything.
Hopefully I get out again tomorrow, next day. I don't know what my jet ski backup situation is going to be. Yeah.